We are in Santa Fe at the county fairgrounds, and we're here for a livestock auction. I've never been to anything like this before, but let's check it out. What's that?
Look at number 69.
This guy right here?
Yeah.
69?
Big shoulders.
Oh, look at this little guy. Number 59. He's all worn out.
Name this one Ketchup.
This guy's name is Ketchup? He looks a little bit like Ketchup.
But look at this young lady right here, nothing but potential. Right here. That's a state fair prospect. A lot of these producers' choice right here, ladies and gentlemen. They chose them for a reason, ladies and gentlemen. Just a big hint for you guys. Mighty guilt. $500 over here now. Now 500. Now 500. Now 500. Now get it 500 over here. Now 400. $400 over here. Now 4. Give it a 4. Now $400 over here. Now 4. Now $400 over here. Main line 300. $300 over here. Now 3. Now $300 over here on the mighty dirt rock deal. $300 over here. Now 3. Now $300 over here. Now $300. $300 over here. Now 3. Now $300 over here. I knew she'd have been a preacher, ladies and gentlemen. 2.5. I'll let y'all in. At a 250 over here. Main line 2.5. Now 75. At a 275 over here. Now 275. 75. 275. Now 3. At a $300 over here. Come on, look at this pretty girl right here.
We're out at the ranch now, and we're awaiting the pig delivery. There's going to be a big old trailer full of goats and pigs showing up here any minute now.
Please come say hi.
Wow.
Oh, hi, Bernie. You want me to say hi to you? She had 12 total. We have 10 in here that made it.
Camper. You can pet him, Macy. He's okay. They don't bite. They're scared.
Just the cutest thing.
You can have one in your bedroom with the guinea pigs.
So the crazy thing is they start off this small. She's not even 2 years old yet.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So she's going to continue to grow. Oh, stop it.
There's some slightly larger guys over here.
2 weeks old. These are 2 months old. So.
Yeah, there's 2 girls that need
Jules, that's a good name for
This is Jules, yeah.
Kind of suspicious of it.
Oh, there you go.
I'm not sure this is the pig footage that the monks were thinking about. What do you think so far, Jada? You look a little concerned.
I just don't want my pig to be gone.
Are you just hoping to get one of the brown ones, the Duroc?
Yeah. That brown one in the corner.
The one in the corner?
Yeah.
All right. All right, see if you can
Should I hurt
get him on out. Yeah, herd him out. Herd him on out. He's gonna come help you, Jada. What time? We're going to 14. You got him? Hey!
I got a brown one. And it looks pretty good too.
You did. You got a brown one.
Yay!
What's his name?
Sluice.
Sluice the pig. All right. There he is. Look, buddy. Got some grub.
Pig out. You got a hose in it, Jada?
Yeah, it's not. It's not full yet. Yeah.
I see.
So we had a very successful auction. Galloping Grace Youth Ranch was able to get almost all of the pigs that they set out to get. They were trying to get 24. I think they got 23, and they'll be getting some goats and chickens to to finish that out. There's a good number of kids too that are going to be raising goats and chickens. The auction was awesome, and so far everything here at the youth ranch has just been great. Max and his staff are amazing, and all the stuff they have going on out here is really cool. Hopefully we'll have some videos in the future talking a little bit more about that. All right, buddy. All right, so that's it for this edition of Anderson's Outdoors. Thanks again for tuning in and hanging with us. Like and subscribe to our videos, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. So thanks a bunch. Take care. We'll catch you next time.